Welcome to Training Tuesday, everybody. I'm Heidi Reese. I'm with Dayton Superior and Simons, and I'm in the training department. And I am so excited to be in our booth in the Central Hall 4663. Today marks the first day of the World of Concrete opening, but more importantly for us, it marks us being an exhibitor. We haven't been that way for 10 years. So excited to be in booth 4663. So who's Dayton Superior? Dayton Superior is a leading provider of engineered solutions for the concrete industry. And we specialize in Simons forming, accessories, whether they are tilt, precast, splicing, chemicals, of course, engineering services, and training. We can provide training for you, customized for your team and your company, or join us on Training Tuesdays, typically 1 p.m. Eastern time. All you need to do is search on DaytonSuperior.com and search for Training Tuesdays. You can register, or you could look at all that we've done in the past. So if you're here in Las Vegas, please come down to our booth in 4663. But if not, I'm going to take you around, meet some of our experts. Maybe you've heard their voices on the Training Tuesdays. And we're going to start first with our Simons Forming booth. We're going to head on over here, and we're going to talk to Ryan Graham. He is the product developer for the Simons. So Ryan, tell us a little bit more. I see some steel ply and I see this exciting new product. Let us know.
Sure, absolutely. So as Heidi mentioned, we're in the Simons Formwork section of Dayton Superior's booth this year at World Concrete. So we got two of our products right around me here. The first one I'm going to start with is what's behind me. This is actually a wall formwork display for the flagship product line of the Simons brand. This is called steel ply. Maybe you've heard of it. It's been around for quite some time. It was actually invented by Arthur H. Simons himself way back in 1953. Okay, with that being said, steel ply has become over the years the handset forming system of choice within our industry. And what does handset mean? Obviously, that just means your job site work crew can place it to the desired location at the job site by hand without any kind of machine assistance whatsoever. Okay, and the reason you're able to do that is because the system's very lightweight, weighs about 5 pounds a square foot, but it still supports concrete pour pressure of 1,000 pounds per square foot. We offer at Simons over 100 plus different panel and filler size configurations with this product. Now, obviously, we offer it for new purchase, but it's also available for rent. We have rental distribution yards all across North America filled with steel ply rental fleet if that's a better option to fit your customers or your organization's needs. So go to our website for more information about steel ply or contact your Simons sales professional today. All right, this product here. So this is a re-engineered, redesigned product that services the round column formwork segment of our industry. We've long serviced that segment at Simons with a product we call CCF, but it's time for a refresh. Okay, we haven't refreshed CCF in a number of years, so we finally decided to bite the bullet and do it with what you see here. This is called Tower Max. Tower Max is an all-steel construction, which means it can support very high concrete pour pressure ratings. We will be stocking with this Tower Max product diameters ranging from 18 inches all the way up to 96 inches. So any stock diameter 60 inches or less supports 3,000 pounds of concrete pour pressure per square foot. Anything greater than 61 inches supports 2,000 pounds of concrete pour pressure per square foot. But what I really like about this design is our engineers focus on improving the labor efficiencies of our customers. Okay, how they did that is they integrated these vertical and horizontal cross members all throughout the design. And you'll see these circular die cut holes in those cross members. And what those are accessory attachment points. So our job site folks can efficiently and effectively attach any kind of accessory hardware, walkway brackets, whether that be bridges, whether that be ladders, or whether that be bracing brackets as well, to utilize in conjunction with the system. All right. This system will be 100% compatible with our existing CCF product as we continue to transition from CCF to Tower Max the balance of 2023. The system is 100% compatible with that CCF product until that transition is completed. So you don't have to worry about mixing and matching different designs of the product. If you want to learn more about TowerMax, go to our website or contact your Simons sales professional today. All right, so there's one more product we want to discuss. We're going to go for a little walk here. Excuse me, sorry. All right. So we are now in the infrastructure section of Dayton Superior's booth, which does an excellent job of conveying just the versatility of the product lines that we have at Dayton to cover you from every angle with bridge type of applications and infrastructure projects in general. But what I want to focus on is what you see right here. This is the signature Simons red colorant, and this is actually a panel that's part of our MaxForm STS heavy formwork system. Okay, this is an all steel construction as a panel, so it can support up to 2,000 pounds of concrete pour pressure per square foot, depending upon the size of the panel you're using at your job site. In addition, this system is great for gang forming wall structures. It's great for columns, but it's also great for self-spanning bridges. Okay, you can actually span the formwork in between the columns of the bridge without having to support the system underneath with any kind of shoring materials whatsoever. So if you want to learn more about MaxForm STS, contact your Simons sales professional or go to our website for more information.
Thank you so much, Ryan. I love that. I love learning about the Simons. And next, we're going to go on to the infrastructure portion of the booth, not the building. And we're going to talk to Chuck Hoke. Chuck Hoke is our national training manager. He needs no introduction. Chuck, tell us a little bit more about what we can offer for infrastructure.
Thank you, Heidi. And welcome everybody to the Dayton Superior booth. Remember, we're at booth 4663 in the center hall. So let's talk about bridges and the infrastructure. The infrastructure package that went through by Congress earlier this about 2 years ago, within 2 years now. You're looking at a influx of cash coming into the road and highway market, not to mention light commercial and other functions. So with that, we're going to talk about bridges. Well, you can use your Simons forms for all of your bridge speeds, all the way up from your footer, all the way up to your superstructure. Once you get to the superstructure, we can actually incorporate our bridge overhang system. The bridge overhang system includes overhang brackets and hangers that are all designed and used accordingly to your job site needs. Now, one of the things about this is our overhang brackets have adjustability from 14 inches to 70 inches. They are made in the US of A. They have a 750-pound load rating. They also, we can do smaller brackets in our C49 Junior, which are half size, about 28 inches. And we can also do larger brackets up to 90 inches. Also, with every one of these projects, we can actually do in-house engineering in Dayton Superior. Calculate the spacing and load capacity put on the hanger and the diagonal of the overhang bracket. Okay. Now, every DOT requires that moment for their own system. Okay. Now, every DOT, like I said, requires that for their needs. Okay. So, with that being said, typically, along with all of your jobs, we can give you the product that's going to best suit your needs at a cost that's reasonable and most effective for your project. Thank you, Heidi. Let me talk about one more thing about that. We're going to talk about bar support. Bar supports here. I'm going to have my good friend John here talk about that. And we'll let that go from there.
Thank you, Chuck. Hi, I'm John Hankenoff. I'm the Director of Product Engineering for our accessories here at Dayton Superior. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about bar supports. At Dayton Superior, we offer all kinds of bar supports. We offer metal, in continuous and individual supports, as well as plastic supports. And we can offer it for any type of rebar application as well. Depending on the type of rebar that you're going to use, we can offer a metal bar support in either continuous or individual, and the epoxy coated, plain, or galvanized, and even stainless steel. For our plastic bar supports, we also offer those in either continuous or individual chair option, and that could be offered in a sand base plate option, as well as a standard chair. You could use the sand plate option for something that you're using an on-grade application. So we have a wide variety of product offerings. Within our plastic bar support product line, we also offer options that can straddle a lower mat for support of an upper mat. You can find a full listing of our products on our website at DaytonSuperior.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much, John. So now we're going to head on over to the chemical side, and follow me this way to our booth. Excuse me, fellas. All right, we have here with us Holly Jenkins. She is the director of the engineering division for chemicals, and we have a whole plethora of chemical products for you. So you really need to come down to booth 4663 in the Central Hall. We're here from 9:30 to 5 today, tomorrow, the next day. And she's going to tell you a little bit high level about why chemicals can be a good solution for you.
Thank you, Heidi. So here at Dayton Superior, we offer a wide variety of chemical products from the three main categories of liquids, epoxies, and powders. Everything from adhesive and bondings to curing compounds, bond breakers, to repair mortars and grouts. So across 24 product categories and 142 unique product types, we have everything you could possibly imagine to get your job done all in one place. In order to support all of those products, we have an extensive research and development lab in our corporate headquarters in Ohio, where we're constantly innovating and developing new products to better support our customers, as well as round out our product portfolio. So we do everything from lab-based assessments, such as accelerated weathering, compression testing, to unique application trials. Our R&D and tech service team have a wide variety of skills to make sure that all of our products are performing at that superior level. Once we have the products performing the way we want, what we do is we have a team that's going to support all of those products by making sure that they're approved on state DOT lists, as well as across various specifications. So today we have a few of our top performing products, starting with our 1107 Advantage Grout. This is our C1107 approved workhorse product. Our C1107 grout is able to be mixed in dry pack, flowable, or fluid consistency, and reaches strengths up to about 10,000 psi. If you're looking for something a little bit stronger, we have our Sure Grip High Performance grout. That gets up to about 12,500 psi. Moving to our repair mortars, we have HT50, which is a heavy-duty horizontal repair where you need really quick strength gain. If you're looking for more of a general repair, we've got a Recreate 20-minute. This has a super fast return on set time and strength. It's good for horizontal, vertical, and overhead repairs. So moving on, we've got our epoxies on display, including our newest Pro Anchor Elite. It is our strongest anchoring epoxy to date. It is IATMA approved for cracked and uncracked concrete. You can use it in dry, water-saturated, and water-filled holes, and it has NSF 61 approval. We do offer design software on our website for free called Anchor Design Pro. You can get on there, put your design in, and make sure it meets all of your specifications. So next, we've got our liquid, so come with me. If you're in our tilt business, we have our SureLift J60 with dye. It's specially formulated to ensure a clean and easy lift and does include a fugitive dye for really simple application inspection on your job site. You can use the J60 as a cure coat on your slab, or you can pair it with our Cure and Seal 25% J22 UV as a cure coat instead. So next, I'm going to have Chris Albright give you a little bit of information on how his team supports our customers and their technical problems and supports our chemical business overall.
Thank you, Holly. Chris Albright, I'm the Director of Chemical Sales for Dayton Superior. And my team of regional sales representatives, TSRs, chemical TSRs as we call them, we have one in each region of the country, 7 total. And they work with our area DSMs to help them with chemical needs of their customers, on top of training, specifications, and product selection. Because at Dayton Superior, we are the leading provider of engineered concrete solutions.
Fantastic. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Heidi.
All right, so next we're going to go over to the splicing. We got a lot of people in our booth. It's booth 4663. So it should be fun. Come this way and we'll try to make our way through. Excuse me, guys. No, you're fine. Doing a live training Tuesday. You're all excited to be here, aren't you? All right, we're going to make our way over to the splicing organization right here. We're going to talk to Chris. Yes, another Chris. Chris Keys, who's going to do the same thing I'm doing with the microphone here. He's going to tell us a lot about the splicing organization and the taper lock.
Hello, Heidi. Thank you. Dayton Superior has 4 major rebar couplers. Our first one is our DBDI system, manufactured by Dayton Superior. This 2 splice connection is an upsized forged end with a threaded end operation. It is provided 4 through 11, and also we can work with plain epoxy and stainless steel. Our second one is our bar lock. Our bar lock is simple, quick, and cost effective. There is no prepping ends when needed, and then you just thread on our bolts here. It eliminates the prepped end, and also it is available 4 through 18 in standard, transitional, and positional, and our end anchors. Our third one is our sleeve lock grout sleeve. One piece mechanical design to butt place, a butt splice for the reinforcing steel. It's also, when used with Dayton grout, it provides a type 2 splice and with grade 60 rebar. And our last one, but not least, is our taper lock. This system is our premier splicing product line. It is a type 2 splice. It self-aligns and it is able to connect with a 5-pound hand-tight system. Now, if you come over to our pride and joy, is our 2G machine that provides our taper lock product line to become complete with this 2G. It is a fully manual machine. As you can see, we do demos from 9 to 2, and we'll be here all day. It will satisfy everyone's needs, so come out and enjoy the demos and talk a little bit about splicing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chris. And just to reiterate, he will be here 9:30 to 2 every day. So get a demo of the splicing, come use it for yourself. Really exciting. Thanks, Chris. All right, so where to next? We're headed on over to our tilt wall. I tell you what, I am so proud of this wall, Dayton Superior. We were the first company to have an interactive tilt wall, and it's really something to see. And to show us about it again is John Hankenhoff.
Hi, thanks, Eddie. Hi. At Dayton Superior, we offer a wide variety of tilt-up solutions, products, and services. From bar supports to lifting and bracing to chemical finishes, we can offer it all. Today, we're going to highlight on a few of those products. Over here, we have our PBA 10K, our panel-based anchor. This provides a structural connection between the wall panel and the wall panel and the floor slab, and it provides the current code requirement of 10,000 pound uplift resistance. You can see here, it also comes with an optional shear connector, which provides in-plane shear resistance. This product was specifically designed for use with our Bearcat bolt, which is a post-installed screw anchor, but it can also be used with any post-installed anchorage method that is appropriate for your job or application. Over here, you can see this is our T28 Superior plate dowel. That is used in stage construction to provide shear transfer load between 2 floor slabs that are being poured. You can cast the plastic sleeve into the first slab, and that will be nailed to your formwork and strip your form and install your metal plate to provide your shear load for your next panel or next floor slab that is being cast. Over here, we have our T6B, which is a brace insert. This product specifically has a bolt that's integrated into the insert itself, and it comes pre-installed and gets cast into the concrete with the insert. So what you'll see from the concrete surface is your void, and then when you remove that, you expose your bolt head. What that allows you to do is it takes the guesswork out of anything that you need, or it takes the guesswork out of what connection you need to make on the job site, since the bolt comes with the product. So it adds a little reassurance to those that are setting the inserts and casting it into the panel. For lifting and handling, we have a line of erection anchors. We have our T275, our T110, as well as our T110H. Among these product lines, we're sure to offer you something that will be able to suit your needs for your job. Within that product line, those three anchors, we can offer a removable and disposable void, or as shown here on this panel, a leave-in void former, which will greatly reduce your labor on the job site and increase your efficiency and provide some cost savings there. It's a great option for your anchor needs. So in addition to our product offerings, we also offer engineering services through our applications engineering, and that's by use of our tilt line, our TiltWorks program. And so they can do layout, design, lifting and bracing layout, engineering, panel design, and things of that nature. So contact Dayton Superior for any of your tilt up needs. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, John. I appreciate that. So next up, we have Alex Basile. So I'm excited about this. Are you okay? I love all of our products. I love it when we introduce a brand new product launch, like we're going to do right here, right now, World of Concrete and booth. Guess what? Central Hall 4663. How many times have I said that? So with us is Alex, and he is the research and developer, chemical engineer he developed this baby. Let me just tell you that. I'm going to give it to you because you know more about it. Let them know why it's awesome.
Thank you. Thanks, Heidi. I'm excited to share this new product with you guys. Dayton Wall Finish is our new rubbing, smoothing, reprofiling cementitious product. Whenever tilt panels are lifted, contractors want to make sure they're free of any imperfections, and that's where Dayton Wall Finish comes in. It does a great job at covering bug holes, cracks, form marks, any imperfections really on the wall. It can be installed down to feather edge, and it dries within 20 to 30 minutes, which gives a fast turnaround on projects. This also means that the wall can be painted within an hour with any type of paint. The other cool feature about this product is how smooth it is. We can see here on the left, again, we can see all the imperfections we can see on the wall, and then Dayton Smooth Finish here. It doesn't need to be sanded down. This is the very about it. And then the other thing as well is this product can be applied in multiple ways. It can either be applied with a trowel or with a brush or even rolled on to give our customers just flexibility in how they want to apply this product. At the same time, it also offers a light gray concrete finish, which means it blends right in.
Fantastic. Thank you, Alex. I bet you had that in your carry-on coming here from Ohio. Yeah, you did. Come on, let's go this way. So we've gone over a lot of the booth. I feel like I'm missing something. Precast. All right. Let's head on over to Mr. Adam. Hi, guys. You can tell we're having fun here in booth 4663. Got lots going on. Adam. This is Adam Stenberg. He is the director of, what are you? Precast.
Yes,
I can tell you a little bit about the products.
Thank you, Heidi. Dayton, thanks, Heidi. I think we saved the best for last. Dayton Superior is your one-stop shop precast product supplier with the highest quality domestic manufactured and service in the industry. This includes our precast lifting systems, our building connections, our pre-stressed products. We have bar supports, forms, chemicals, and much more. So here's a few examples that we have. Here's a P52 Swift lift. That's what part of our lifting systems. We have a P75H utility anchor, part of our utility anchor system. And we also have our P92 FEW, which is part of our fleet lift system. And the last system that we have for precast lifting is our coil inserts. Here is an example of a V16. We also offer several building connections or specialty connections for the precast industry. Here, for example, is a ferrule threaded insert. This is an F64. It's also NC thread. And we also offer our core wall connectors, which I don't have an example for here. Here are our threaded splicer couplers and our grouted sleeve lock connections. We also offer pre-stress straining rewrite devices for any of the precasters out there that might be making bridge girders. Lastly, I want to highlight our sandwich panel connectors. We offer traditional steel pin, truss, as well as some composite delta tie and Yeti anchor connectors that are used to connect two outer concrete wice to an insulation layer so you access one section. The composite materials are used for higher R value projects where that is a requirement. Lastly, our exceptional precast sales and engineering team are ready to assist in providing engineered solutions. Our industry-leading customer service are ready to help deliver your next project. Thank you.
Yep, they are. Thank you so much, Adam.
Thanks, Heidi.
Hey, why don't you walk on over and let's go see Chuck. So we're going to go check out the Cody clip. And it is another piece of the precast. And guess who it is? To Chuck Coke again, because this man does get around. And he's going to show you and talk to you about the Cody clip.
Okay, the Cody clip is an integral way to attach the rebar instead of wire tying. Typically, the system saves you labor. It's much more accurate and safer to accomplish what you're looking for. The other items with this product here is the material is made of polycarbonate. The polycarbonate is actually what bulletproof glass is made of, so it's extremely strong. You're looking at this product here. The application of this product is about twice as fast as what you can use a hand wire tie gun with. And so in lieu of wire tie, you're actually getting a 4-way clip in and around the rebar. That enables you to actually maximize your strength of the rebar. Okay, it gives you a better racking system so that the cage will not rack left or right. So if you have to move it, it's easily moved. The system typically comes out and it is faster, better, safer. Just like Dayton Superior products. So come down to C44663 Central Hall to see us.
That's fantastic. Faster, better, and safer, just like Dayton Superior. That's what he said. That's exactly right. So we're going to end it. This is our booth. Please come down and see it. You know what? I don't think I've said it yet. What is the booth? Say with me, everybody. 4663. That's right. Anything that you've seen here, contact your sales representative or get on DaytonSuperior.com. Sign up for the next Training Tuesday, DaytonSuperior.com. And you can put in Training Tuesday and you can register straight for it. Or if you hear any voices that maybe sound familiar, go listen to those Training Tuesdays we've done in the past. And with that, you have a fantastic Tuesday.